Did you know that Arabian coffee was once so valuable it was used as currency in some regions? This centuries-old tradition isn't just about caffeine. It's a rich, cultural experience with deep, complex flavors. Today, I'm diving into the art of brewing authentic Arabian coffee and challenging myself to perfect the balance of flavors with one key ingredient: cardamom. Arabian coffee, or kahwa, is more than just a drink. It's a symbol of hospitality and tradition across the Middle East. What makes it truly unique is its light roast, fragrant spices, and, most importantly, the warm, citrusy aroma of cardamom. But getting that perfect infusion isn't as simple as it seems. Many people assume that all coffee is the same, but Arabian coffee stands apart with its distinct brewing process and delicate balance of flavors. One of the biggest challenges is understanding how to properly infuse cardamom without overpowering the coffee. Too much, and it masks the natural coffee notes. Too little, and you miss out on its signature warmth. Today, I'm putting my brewing skills to the test to achieve that perfect harmony. Authentic Arabian coffee is traditionally brewed in a dalla, a special pot designed to extract maximum flavor. The process begins with lightly roasted Arabica beans, which are ground to a coarse consistency. Then, the coffee is slowly simmered with water, allowing the flavors to fully develop. Cardamom is added at just the right moment to create that unmistakable fragrance. Some regions even add saffron or cloves for an extra layer of complexity. But today, we're focusing on the pure, classic combination of coffee and cardamom. The moment of truth, pouring the freshly brewed kahwa into a delicate finjan, the traditional small cup used for serving. The aroma is rich and inviting, with the cardamom subtly enhancing the coffee's natural sweetness. Each sip is smooth, slightly spiced, and incredibly comforting. This isn't just a beverage, it's an experience that connects us to history and culture, one cup at a time. Arabian coffee is truly special, not just for its unique taste, but for the tradition it carries. The gentle touch of cardamom transforms it into a drink that's both bold and aromatic. If you've never tried brewing it yourself, this is your sign to give it a shot. I'd love to hear about your favorite coffee traditions. Have you ever tried Arabian coffee? Or do you have a unique way of preparing your daily cup? Let me know in the comments. And if you're in the mood for more coffee-infused delights, check out my previous video where I make a creamy, decadent coffee ice cream, perfect for coffee lovers like us.